Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Monisha Raj. I hope you are all doing well. So guys, in today's video I am going to do get unready with me. Basically it's my night skincare. So when I remove makeup, what and all products I use, I usually remove my makeup in my night only. So that's why I'm showing you my night skincare. So guys, first thing what I do is I'll just change my clothes and I'll be back. Okay guys, so I have changed my clothes. Now I'll just remove my makeup. For removing my makeup, I'm using Face Shop's Herb Day Cleansing Cream in Fruit Mix variant. So as I do heavy makeup, I usually use this only. When it is light makeup, I use some other makeup. So guys, to know more about makeup removers, I've done a video on makeup removers separately. You can just check it out. This just melts the makeup in one go. I really love this product, and it doesn't dries out your skin. Also it takes out heavy makeup, waterproof makeup, what kind of makeup you just wear, it just takes out that. Try not to go inside the eyes. Usually it doesn't burn that much, but you are using a product inside. If a product goes inside, if a product goes inside the eyes, obviously it will gonna burn. So at last I'll keep my mascara. I washed my makeup remover and later ice water bright face wash. So this is really good. So next, for my toning and hydrating of my face, obviously your makeup will be drying, so to just tone that, I'm using a mask which tones my face and which gives immense hydration to my face. I'll just show you how. This is the DIY toner which I've already done in my channel. I'll leave a link in my box so you can check it out. So in a bowl, I'll just take this toner. I'll take a lot actually. Yeah, this smells immense. To this I'm adding rosehip serum. This is from Good Vibes. So I'll add about this much of it. Maybe a dropper of it full. I'll just add it. This rosehip is actually very good to your face. It helps in taking out your pigmentation if you use it regularly. And I'll just read the benefit. Okay, face serum that maintains skin elasticity and smoothness, infused with rosehip extract to brighten uneven skin tone for a glowing complexion. Guys, I have this facial sheet mask. So basically what it is like, it is like a tablet. So if you just put this in a water or this mixture, it sucks all of the ingredients whatever you will be using, and this blows up. So that's what it is. You can see this. I'll wear it for 10 minutes. It is just dripping, so that much I've used it. Remaining serum I'll just apply it to my elbows and knees. I'll leave this for 10 minutes. I'll apply it to my neck. Just don't waste anything, guys. That's all. This actually helps in deep penetrating all the ingredients. Okay, guys, it's been 10 minutes. I'll just remove this. I'll just leave this to dry. Let it dry for a bit. So guys, now I'm using L'Oreal's Revital Lift Micro Essence. So I have actually use this much. So I'll do a separate review of this very soon. I'm still trying this product, so I can't just say it now only, but I'll just do a separate review very soon of this. Just pat it and leave it for few minutes. I'll just dry it. Usually in nights I'll definitely use a facial oil. I just don't miss that using, even if I miss using a night cream, also I don't miss using this. Today I'm using Good Vibes Argan Oil facial oil. This is in silver leaves. Okay, I don't know, it is good, it's, I can't say that it's not good, but I haven't seen any changes after using this. So like, separate changes, but it's good. It hydrates your face, it does its work, but it doesn't do extraordinary, that's what I can say. Let me see what it says. It tightens pores, slows down the aging process. I can't tell that. Controls acne. I'm not getting acne by using this. So usually I don't get acne. Only when my hormonal changes or weather changes, that's when I get acne. So I don't know. But by using this, I've not got any acne. So after this, I'm using a night eye cream. This is from Himalaya. So usually I have a puffy eyes. Soon after I get up in the morning, my eyes will be puffy. But if I use this, my eyes puffiness will be less. Basically, it won't be there only. Little bit puffiness will be there. But if I don't use this, the puffiness will be more. So I think this actually is good for puffiness. And I can't say about dark circles because I don't have dark circles. I'll just get when I don't sleep properly or when I'm stressed, or else I usually don't have that much dark circles, but I can say this is really good for puffiness. And next, I'm using my DIY night cream. I've already made a video on this, so just check it out. I'll leave a link in my description box and I'll just click this hi button, so you'll get there also. So after applying this, I'll just do a massage. So this actually has orange granules, so this granules will slightly exfoliate my skin. So after this, after just tap it. This helps in blood circulation and helps to absorb the product really quickly. And at last, nothing, no lip balm, anything but a Bioline. I love using Bioline on my lips. Vaseline usually darkens up my lips, I don't know why, but Bioline doesn't do anything. So I'll just use that. Okay guys, so this is my night skincare routine. I hope you guys liked it. If you like it, please give a like, and if you have any doubts or any suggestion, please let me know in my comment or else DM me in my social accounts. I'll leave a link of my social accounts in my description box. Please check it out and follow me there also. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon next to subscribe button, so that whenever I upload a video, you guys will get a notification. I'll meet you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye.